face.
Thank you. Yes.
Please.
Eyeball. I got an eyeball. I don't know.
How many you got?
This much.
Ooh, lots of candies Mala got.
This looks good. You're copying me, Mama. Daddy, look in your hand.
Yes.
Yes, I have loads of candy.
Oh, look, you're right. You want to say trick or They never came out last year. Maybe they're not home yet.
Give me those buckets. Oh, well, there
Thank
we
you,
go.
Say.
That's all right.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, we're not home. Come back inside, we'll be there. It's your house.
Hello, Jana, let's do that.
Hello.
Say thank you, Malia.
That's the dragon's
Yes, it's his name. Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. How sure. This man here. Look at the man's head
See you later.
Thank you for giving me a lollipop. Thank you, Kobe. Why people I'm gonna take you. Take one. We can have another one. I'm not going to. The other side. Yes. Look what they got.
What you got, Mala?
Lollipop.
Okay, Acho.
But it's going.
Hello. That's very scary.
Can't take a picture of the Black Knight.
Man, that's nice. Go just carry it. Guys, I can't help it. Happy Halloween! Little chocolates for you. I got Haribo's.
Turn around. Liam, Mason. Mason. Look. Milan. Take it. Turn around. Yes, Liam. Liam. 1, 2. Liam, put it away.
Told you if it floats on the walls.
앉아.